Today's wig comes from Myfirstwig.com. So before I start the styling of this wig, I was too busy to bleach the knots on this hair. So I thought, why not show you guys a fake method to bleaching knots. So I'm going to apply some foundation to the inside of the cap. This can be done with any color foundation. So if you can't get the knots to go to your shade or the shade that you want, always use foundation. It's very helpful at matching it to your scalp color or your foundation color. So that's what I'm doing for the inside of this cap to give the fake appearance of scalp, to basically hide the knots. So let's jump right into the styling tutorial. Alright, let me just say happy Valentine's Day to everyone out there. I hope you guys are enjoying your day or enjoyed your day. This hair is really pretty. It's a two-tone wig. It does have like the brown going on at the bottom, and then it has the regular color at the top. This is from Myfirstwig.com. I will put all the information down in the description box. So I do not have this wig glued down. As you guys know, I'm doing a series this week, so there's no purpose of gluing any of my wigs down because I'm just taking off and putting on. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and style the baby hairs and create some baby hairs on this wig. And the baby hairs I'm creating because they're going to hold this wig in place, because I'm going to use gel to hold them down. So it's going to kind of help secure my wig. This is a lace front wig, so you don't have to glue it down because it has combs and adjustable straps. I don't think I went too crazy with the baby hairs, but I created just enough to make it work. So I'm going to do the same thing with the other side. Now that I have the baby hairs done, I'm going to go ahead and start styling this wig. Now, as you can see, the side is lifting. If you want to put a little bit of glue there, you can, to keep your sides from lifting. I'm going to take some of the flyaway tamer from Myfirstwig.com. This is their flyaway tamer. This is what I use all the time. You guys always ask me this, and I've always mentioned this in almost every video. But yeah, I'm going to apply that to get rid of flyaways, and then I'm going to take my pressing comb and press out the top part of the hair to get it to go where I want it to. The brush I'm using is a Tangle Teaser brush, by the way, just in case you guys want to know. I'm going to go ahead and spray the hair with the L'Oreal Elnit Satin Hairspray. This is a holding spray, and I'm doing this before I make the curls because I want the curls to hold. Just like yesterday, I'm using my Argan Heat curling iron, but this one is bigger than the one I used yesterday. So the one I used yesterday was smaller, this one is bigger, and I'm going to take huge chunks for the hair because I want to do like a messy, wavy look in the hair today. So I curled the first piece backwards, and I'm curling the rest, you know, back and forth. I'm going forward and backwards with the curls so that when I comb it out, it'll be really a loose wave type of look. Alright, now that that's done, I'm going to spray the hair again with the hairspray to make sure the curls stay nice and locked. And then once the spray dry, I'm going to fluff out the curls to turn them into more of a wavy look. So this is the finished result. Again, this hair comes from Myfirstwig.com. I will link them below and all the details on this wig in the description box